So he, so I told him I'm going to meet you. So he sends regards.
You send my regards to him.
I will.
Really?
Yeah. He's going to appreciate it.
Geez, I wish I had a picture for him.
Well, we'll take.
You gotta get one for your dad too.
Yeah.
The whole, for the whole mishpacha.
Yeah.
The whole mishpacha.
Which ones are we going to get? Maybe we'll get more than one.
Sure. We can cut you a deal if you want to get it.
I think that's the best one for him.
This one?
Yeah.
You like that one, Larry?
Yeah. For him.
For my dad.
Yeah.
All right.
That's the classic one.
Yeah.
What's your father's name?
Bill.
Bill.
Yeah.
You want Larry to make it out 2 Bill?
Yeah, of course.
Okay. All right, Larry. You do it.
Who else?
You got it, Larry. 94. I don't tell him what to do. He knows what to do.
Yeah.
To Bill.
Yep.
Yeah.
Where's the best place? Here or here?
Right over there. Just don't write on your face.
So get the combo.
Yeah.
A photo and 2 autographs. One for you, one for your dad.
They signed Larry Storch on that side. They write a whole paragraph there sometimes. Runs out of room.
And then maybe we get one for ourselves.
Okay.
Maybe we get this one.
Sure.
With Vincent Price.
Okay. You like that one? Yeah.
Which one do you want?
That's what the one
I
she
think
wants.
this one. She just
Yeah.
it out to anyone or just signed or
Let's put to Joe.
to Joe?
Yeah.
To Joe.
J-I-L-L.
No, Joe. J-O-E.
To Joe.
Yeah, we'll keep it easy.
Yeah. Do it right up on top of the
J-O-E. Yeah. We'll keep it easy.
And let's write love Larry Storch because there's not a lot of room. So let's
You
write
could just put Larry Storch. You don't have to write anything.
let's put Larry Storch.
And then we'll take a picture together. Melly, why don't we all take a picture together?
You tell a comedian not to do something, they're gonna do it. Just to spite you, they're gonna do it. They're gonna take a picture with the whole
Everybody.